What's up guys? This is Jhelo Cristobal and welcome to my first ever unboxing here on my vlog. Kaya naman guys, sa mga bagong pasok dyan, live streaming ito. Kaya nga guys, if you are actually watching this, make sure that you have subscribed and click the notification bell. Tama ba yun? Ganun ba yung sasabihin dito? Pero yun, welcome. Before I actually unbox this special gift na nakuha ko, I would want to tell you kung paano ko nga siya nakuha. So, for the past year, I have been streaming for the app called Kumu. Ayan, or Kumusta. So, basically, it's a 100% Pinoy live streaming app kung saan, ayan, makakakilala tayo ng mga tao from different parts of the world who are streaming. Also, meron din mga games kung gusto you're into trivia and all that. Perfect place rin sa inyo kasi mananalo rin kayo ng mga prizes. And ito na nga. So, kaya itong unboxing kong ito ay nangyari is because sumali ako sa isang campaign called the Wildcard Nespresso campaign. So basically, first ever kong sumali ng campaign sa Kumu. And guys, nakakatuwa kasi grabe, sobrang support nyo. Nanalo tayo. And today, we are gonna be unboxing the prize. So, kung ready na kayo, ready na rin ako. Kasi ilang araw na tong nandito at dineliver. Pero sabi ko, I have to let everyone see kung paano ko siya i-unbox. Because, yun nga, it's our prize together. Kaya, ayan, maraming salamat rin sa mga friends natin na tumulong. Syempre, ayan, sila Kim Paolo, sila Anghet, sila Ralph, ang mga Hyve natin, yung mga nag-drop by on the last day. Bakit ako tulala? Wala, nakaka-overwhelm lang. Actually, kung mapapanood nyo the whole time, kwento ko lang kasi sabi ko sa sarili ko when I started live streaming, nakakatakot sumali ng campaigns just because I know everyone is fighting for it and a lot of people, grabe sila, like ang daming supporters and everything. Pero parang siguro in a way, parang sabi ko sa sarili ko, kaya ko ba? Or magagawa ko ba to? Siguro yun rin yung reason ko why I didn't even join or even thought of joining a campaign. So yun na nga, sumali ako ng campaign for the first time and hindi ko in-expect talaga with the love that has poured so much sa akin, sa suporta nila. Guys, alam nyo kung sino kayo yan. Team Paolita, Team Dotdot, Team Kumu Paolita, Team Power Nation! Power Nation! Ayan, ang mga friends natin from Hyve, Kite Squad, at syempre ang Pamilya Sarangola. Grabe kayo. I have felt the love so much and hindi ko man kayo maisa-isa. I know that you guys were a big part. Especially, ayan sila, Anghet, sila Kim Paolo. Grabe. Sila talaga rin yung nag-push sa akin to actually do my first ever campaign. This campaign was actually a campaign that ako at si Anghet, and yun lang, nakakatawa lang na we have celebrated our success together. So, congratulations din sa'yo, Anghet, kasi grabe ang puyat, ang pagod at mga pinagagawa natin sa stream natin just for us to be able to give also our encouragement and inspiration sa mga taong nanonood sa atin. Kaya, shoutout sa'yo, Anghet. Magsisimula na tayo ng unboxing for the Nespresso set. Kaya, let's do this. Ayan guys, so magsisimula na tayo. But before that, I would wanna share to you yung note na binigay sa akin ng Kumu. Congratulations, Jhelo Cristobal, for winning the Nespresso set. Thank you very much, Carlito. Kumu Carlito, ang ating mascot sa Kumu na blue na tarsier. First off are these 3 boxes from, of course, Nespresso. Ayan, so basically, siguro, ito yung 3 top bestsellers ng Nespresso. So, binigyan tayo ng Scuro. Ayan, Scuro. Paano ba to? Wow, Scuro. And then we also have the Lungo. Ayan. Ayan, o diba? astig. Astig ba? Shala. Nakakashala kasi para feeling mo tuloy ang social mo. Kasi yung packaging pa lang niya, pag tinignan nyo, guys, grabe. Pumapatak na every capsule is actually 30 pesos. So imagine, sa isang box, you get 10 capsules. So that's 10 cups of coffee. Hindi na rin masama kasi 300 yung isang pack. Because, di ba, syempre pag pumunta tayo sa mga coffee shops, 150, isa pa lang yun. So, and then, next one would be this box. It's actually the, nakalagay dito, it's the Nespresso View Collection. Nespresso View Collection na cappuccino size. Meaning, ayan o, makita nyo naman sa side, guys. So, it is something that you can actually enjoy your coffee. Alam naman natin, guys, when we drink coffee, there are times wherein gusto natin may art. Gusto natin yung experience of actually seeing the different colors. So, this is perfect because you can actually get to see yung different colors ng coffee nyo. Ayan na. Let's open it. Oh my God, ganda! Bakit ko inamoy? Wala naman amoy. So we have a pamphlet. Pamphlet. Hi! Pamphlet. Actually, a 2-piece set with a saucer. So, tingnan nyo naman, guys. Oh, it's social. So, basically, you get 2 sets. So, dalawang metal saucer. And then, our cups that are, look at that. Oh, di ba? So, for sure, pagka gumawa kayo ng mga lattes or cappuccinos, makikita nyo talaga yung difference ng brown part, yung white part. So, ito ang ating View Collection na cappuccino cups. Ayan o. Grabe naman, guys. Tingnan nyo naman. Coffee is now served. Next is this Nespresso Aerochino. Ayan. It's actually used for occasions na gusto mo may milk or gusto mo frothy yung drink. So, open this box. It's the Aerochino 3. Ayan na. So, first, ang nakita ko ay ang lid. Okay. Siyempre, kailangan takpan dahil baka matapon ang ating milk when it's frothing. And it has the logo na N, which is Nespresso. O, ayan. This is our Aerochino in 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, yung puti! Perfect! Actually, kala ko black yung laman niya. Pero, guys, maganda rin pala to. It's kinda beigey or off-white yung color niya. Aesthetic. Ang ganda niya tingnan kasi ayan o, very simple lang naman. So, all you have to do is put in your milk, tapos ilagay lang natin dito, and then press the button, and after a few seconds or a few, even less than a minute, ay ready na ang ating milk. Paano tayo makakapag-produce ng coffee? Siyempre, dapat meron tayong coffee maker. Oh, di ba? Pero, ito na nga, bubuksan na natin siya. So, we pull the tab sa likod. Open the box. Ayan na! Dun, 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 dun. Ayan, it says here, syempre ang ating manual that says my machine. Alam nyo guys, ito legit, kung meron kayo nito, makaka-relate kayo. Yung styro pa lang niya, I don't know why, but it feels so different. Parang feeling ko it's a different styro. Parang social na styro. Kasi tingnan, basta, iba. Pag hinawakan nyo to, oh my gosh. Oh, iba. Iba talaga. Hindi siya yung madaling maano. Hindi siya yung madaling masira. Kaya alam mong secured na secured ang packaging. So, ito na. Ay! My gosh, masisira ko pa ata to. Ayan. So, this is our Nespresso Inissia or Inissia coffee maker. Ayan, grabe. Tingnan nyo ang aesthetic, guys. Pwede nyo talaga siya i-display sa house. Kasi, look at that. How nice and sleek the design is. Is our Nespresso machine, Inissia. Ano ba yan? Ba't hindi ko matama? Okay, this is our Nespresso Inissia. And, ayan guys. So, basically, madali lang naman siya gamitin. So, ay, madali daw gamitin. Pero makakasira pa ata. Kinabahan ako doon. Lord, ano na? Ayoko na. And sa likod naman is where you put the water. So after that, kung gusto natin ng coffee, ilalagay lang natin dyan. And we press a button and then voila! You have your own coffee. So you just throw everything out. And they also have a bag for us to be able to recycle. Tapos, pagka bumalik kami sa mga Nespresso shops, you can also have those capsules surrendered to them. Tapos, i-recycle nila yun. Ayun! Guys, so basically, this is the whole package. This is the whole set na napanalunan natin sa Kumu for our wildcard Nespresso campaign. Kaya maraming salamat Kumu for actually making this possible also. And to everyone who has supported me all throughout the campaign. Syempre, magpapasalamat tayo sa mga friends natin. Ayan, sila Kim, Paolo, sila Anghet, sila Bry, sila Ralph, sila, yung mga kasama natin nung last day ng campaign, sila Shayne, sila Jeniffer, shoutout sa inyo, and Angela Alarcon, si Christopher Star, and everyone from Kite Squad, from Hyve, and of course, Pamilya Sarangola, maraming salamat, and Kumu, kasi, like I said, hindi rin naman ako mananalo kung walang Kumu. So, dyan nagtatapos sa ating vlog for today. Again, this is Jhelo Cristobal. Don't forget to comment down below, to click the notification bell, and of course, subscribe on my channel because I'm gonna be producing more contents para sa inyo at para na rin sa akin para mapanood ko in the future at mga apo ko. Ayan guys, maraming salamat and I'll see you on the next vlog. Let's go!